Hey guys, Mr. Nichols here. It's so great to see all of you. Thank you guys so much for being patient and being flexible in this time while I've been in recovery. It's so great to see you guys, and I hope you all are doing well. So I just wanted to share a quick little tutorial video with how to use Turnitin.com and how to make submissions. That's how we're going to be doing most of our assessments and some of our assignments throughout the rest of the semester. So I went ahead and put instructions for this in our agenda for our remote learning day. I did also put this in for our hybrid day, just in case we have any difficulty with that. Mr. Scott can help you with this as well. So if we look and we scroll down, I'm actually going to go to the remote online assignment because that has a little bit more information on it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and just click this link right here. That's to get to the Turnitin login. Now, I imagine that you probably have used Turnitin in some of your other classes before, but we're going to be using this in here. And if you haven't already, you can sign in with your Jeffco Schools Google account. Don't use a personal Google account, but you should be able to sign in using that as well. My login is a little bit different, so I'm just going to put that in there. Okay. All right, so right now that's in instructor view, so that's not what you guys would see. Okay, so what you guys will see is, well, you won't really see anything yet. You need to first enroll in your class. So you shouldn't see any classes here unless you signed up in one of your other classes. So you're going to go ahead and click enroll in a class. And then if you look here, it has our class section ID and then our enrollment key. So let's say that I was in period 5. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the class ID and the enrollment key, and you're going to go ahead and enter those into these fields right here. So I'm just going to copy and paste those nice and easy from our agenda. Okay, so now I have enrolled in that class here. So if we look at this, you won't need to do too much with it this week. I just want to make sure that everyone gets signed in. So I've gone ahead and I'm going to post a really quick little assignment for us here. So if you click on your class period, okay, I have the sample document submission here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click submit, and then you're going to need to do a couple things. So if you look back in the agenda here, I have the 3 questions that you're going to need to submit posted in the agenda. So you're going to need to answer those 3 questions in a Google Doc, or if you're using a personal computer, you could also submit a Word document. That's totally fine too. So you'll just need to title the document with your last name, your first initial, and then the word sample. So notice how mine would be Nichols K sample. So you're just going to create a new Google Doc or a Word document, and then you're going to answer these 3 questions in it. So simple enough, it shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes. So then you'll go back to Turnitin. You'll put your submission in here. So I'm going to put Nichols K sample. And then you can either choose the file directly from your Chromebook. So if you're using your Chromebook, you can just click it straight to Google Drive right here. You will need to authorize it the first time that you use it. So if you haven't used Turnitin already to submit Google assignments, you'll just go ahead and click that there. And then you'll need to allow it. So make sure you don't click cancel there. And then you can just go through and choose the document that you wanted to submit there. Okay. Or again, if you're using a Word doc, you can click choose from this computer as well if you're using a personal device. So I'm just going to go ahead and submit our agenda just for time's sake here. And then I'm going to go ahead and click upload. So once you have finished uploading, which sometimes it does take a moment, okay, so there is my document. It also lets you kind of preview it as well before you go ahead and submit it. So I'm going to go ahead and click confirm here. And there you go. So that's it. So, and also I would recommend just taking a screenshot of this. And you don't necessarily need to post it anywhere, but just in case there's any contention, this will have all of the information from when you submitted it, the name of the document, all the submission information. Also gives you a little ID number here. So really quickly, I'm just going to go ahead and take a screenshot of this. So if you're not familiar with how to take a screenshot, it's Control Shift and then the square icon that's on the top of your Chromebook. If you need help with this, you could probably just do a quick Google search of how to take a screenshot. You could also do it this way. Yeah. So if you go to the little drop-down menu in Chrome, you can go down to More Tools, Take Screenshot, and it'll just take a screenshot of the whole screen. That works too. Okay. But you could do it this way. So Control Shift and then the Windows icon. So it's a square with 2 lines to the right of it. Gives you this little crosshair, and then you can just highlight anything that you want to take a picture of. Okay. So simple as that, just so you have it in your records for later. And that's all we have to do for now. So to be honest, in our assignments that we submit, I'm probably not going to post a document on Google Classroom for you to fill in your answers, just because one of the key benefits of Turnitin.com is so that I can cross-reference each of your submissions, since I know there's a lot of temptation when we're in online environments to work together with other people or to take answers straight from the internet. And I want to discourage that. I don't really care what the internet knows or your friends know. I care what you know. So if you have any questions with this, please don't hesitate to reach out to Mr. Scott or myself. I'd be happy to help you in any way that we can. So I hope that you all are doing well. Take care and have a great day. Bye.